Nuts!
Mr. Dookie Nuts!
Dookie Nuts!
Who's my Mr. Dookie Nuts?
You don't want to get caught lacking though. You get caught lacking out of nowhere. He's like, oh yeah, gotcha. You trusted me.
What it do familiar? What it do familiar? It's your boy Taxi Png, and we are back at it again with another one. So today I'm going to be doing a real raw and unfiltered behind the scenes of how I act with babies around. So you guys are going to see me, I guess, jumping around, acting a fool, doing everything in my power to get this baby to laugh. So that way I can get. I just bit my lip while talking. That baby must be big. You guys will see me jumping around, goo-goo and gaga-ing, doing anything that, you know, whatever it takes to get that shot. Okay, so you guys are gonna see it. It's a real raw and unfiltered behind the scenes. If you guys like real raw and unfiltered behind the scenes like this, make sure to leave a subscription. Leave a subscription. Make sure to subscribe. All right, you guys, it's late. All right, don't do too much. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. And you know, stay up to date, hit that bell notification so that way you're always up to date on every time that I drop a video, because we'll be dropping every single day, and you do not want to miss once we hit 10,000 subscribers, because after we hit 10,000 subscribers, it's going to be major. All right, after we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're going to be going into, you know, December. We're in December. We're going to be going into January, which is going to be 2026, and I have a lot of crazy plans for 2026, a lot of travel lined up to come and meet you guys. So make sure that you're in the Discord to get updates on that. A lot of classes and courses and workshops that I'm gonna be doing, so make sure you're in the Patreon for that. If you want to get, you know, live workshops, stuff like that, I'm gonna be bringing that to you guys, and if you're in the Patreon, you will automatically get access to that. But I'll make a video explaining that, talking about that and things of that nature. But we have a lot of things coming. We're about to get really surgical. I'm gonna help you guys go from zero to surgical, so all the links and everything will be down below. This right here is how I get surgical, you know, and make kids laugh, things of that nature, and also get the clientele to overall like me. If you guys notice while you're watching, the clients will laugh with me. They start to get more and more comfortable. They start to, you know, loosen up throughout the shoot. So we start off, they're kind of stiff, and then I get them to loosen up throughout the shoot. So I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how I do this with clientele. This right here is free game, and you will never see this anywhere else. Let's get into the video. A wonderful Christmas time. Sun is out. All right, let's see. There you go. All right, bet. Let me see some testers real quick to make sure I get them right. All right, look at me, look at me, look at me. Let me see, yep. All right, that's cute. All right, so I'm gonna take some serious ones. Sam, a little bit more in the middle of the two of you, so it's like a little bit, yeah, like that, there we go. So both of you guys are holding on to him. Yeah, just like that. Both of you guys resting a hand on him. Yep, just like so. And you guys are gonna look at me, give me a little bit of a smile. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There we go. And one. There we go. All right, move these real quick. Out the way. Please have it a wonderful Christmas time. Bro, this set came together, man. That's another thing I think that made me like, I'm like, bro, like I literally built all of this. I was like, bro, like, I never built a set. This is my first time building a set. Yeah, there you go. Throw a smile in there. Yeah, 32. Yeah, Ooh. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. One more. Let me see, let me see.
Coming this way. He's like that.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Bet. Oh, that's cute. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute.
We'll try to get him to like smile.
Try to take him a little bit, like from the sides. Let's see it. Let me see. All right, bet. So I'm gonna have you hold him. I'm gonna have you have a present. Hold on. I'm gonna give you a present, and you're gonna be like holding it on behalf of the family. So like that, or maybe like you turn it to the side a little bit. Yeah, and then we're gonna like play to get him to smile, and yeah, that's the vision. That's the vision. Let's see. Mellow, hey Mellow, hey Mellow, Mellow, hey Mellow, come Mellow, Mellow, Mellow. Ooh, 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 ah. There we go, there we go. Look at me, you guys. So you guys look at me. I'm gonna try to get him to look at me, and I want you to look like, here's a present. Like, you know what I'm saying? So you're gonna be like, here's a present. Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna be like, here's a present towards me, and then on a few of them, you might look at him, be like, look what I got for you. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. All right. Now I'm about to get his attention. Ooh, ooh, hey Mallow, hey Yaya, hey, look what mommy got for you. Yay, yay, Ellen. There you go, there you go. So when you do it, try to have yourself back a little bit, because when you go too far, your band covers your face. Okay. So keep yourself back a little bit so I can still see you. You're like, baby, look. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, ah. There you go. Hello, hello, hello. All right, now try to get him to look at you.
Carmelo.
Play with him so he can look at you. Yes. Yes. And one. And one. There we go. All right, that's good. All right, you guys, go ahead, get up. I'm gonna move the couch. Yeah. Now I don't like, you know what I'm saying? Like, watch your head, watch your head. There you go. I'm gonna move the couch right here, and then I got y'all. So I'm gonna have Dad is gonna be right here. This is hard, so you can sit on it. So you're gonna be here, right? I'm gonna have you here, and then Mom, Dad, Mom, baby. Okay, boom. Mom here, right? Dad's leg. You good? Your leg, you know what I'm saying? Yeah? Good. Leg? Nah, I'm saying like, you know what I'm saying? Leg, boom. Then you're holding the baby. Okay. All right? And then you're going to be like here, like, this is my family. You know what I'm saying? All right. Get that leverage. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard. It's hard. You can scoot it back on it. You can sit on it. The whole thing hard. Yeah, see? There we go. And that's how it's supposed to look. Yeah. Oh, Mellow. 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 There you go. Hold it. It's frightful. And the fire is so delight. There we go. Mellow. Mellow. Hey, your body. Hey, your body. Mellow. 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 Hey, body. Hey, body. Ooh, we gobble. We gobble. We gobble. Ow. We go. Ooh, we go. Ow. Ooh, ooh. Mellow. 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 Ah. Alan. There you go. Mellow. 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 Mellow.
Mellow.
There you go. Let me see. Hold on, wait. Try holding him differently, because he look a little jacked up. You got his clothes up. Let me see. There we go. Now try holding him again. Mellow. There we go. Oh, that's spit slanging. You want the thing? Where's it at? I don't know where's it at. Oh, here it goes.
You're just so sweet.
Hey, buddy. Hey, but he's like, yeah, I know. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just, oh, you little spit. So right here, you guys are witnessing me playing peekaboo behind my iPad that I'm tethering to with the little one. But I'm Taxi, so I like having fun, man. And I feel like whatever it takes to get that shot is what I'm going to do. If I have to play peekaboo and I have to look crazy as the photographer, if that photo comes out fire, it doesn't matter how I looked, okay? It doesn't matter how bad or good I looked. Let me see. If I turn this light on right now, it's going to like make me look better. Hold on. Neurodivergent just kicked in real quick. Hold on. Ooh, that side lighting? Stop playing with me, though. The side light? I just added a third light in. Stop it. Like that's actually pretty hard. So I anything that it takes to get that shot, I want to encourage you guys to do the same thing. Like, get yourself uncomfortable. We're photographers, bro. We're already seeing it's kind of weird. So why not just, embrace your weirdness? Be who you are. Be quirky. Be weird. Make the client laugh. Make the baby laugh. Become more personable, because when you're able to make these people laugh, they will come back to you and book you and recommend you to multiple people over and over and over again. If you're good at what you do and you're good at being yourself, that makes people feel comfortable. All right, when somebody's able to be themselves around them and around your clientele and around somebody new that you just met, it makes them feel so much more comfortable. It's like, oh my god, like I feel like I've known you forever. So things like this, I break them out of the shell. They're like, oh my god, he's Google and Gaga and he's jumping around. They have to become okay with it. They have to say, they start to see the photos, take the pictures, I'm showing them something, oh my god, they're coming out good. Now they start to loosen up and they will also start Googling and Gagaing. All right, so create the experience for your clientele and they will come back again and again and again and again. And the best part about it is they will do the marketing for you. They will tell their cousins, they will tell their friends, they will tell everyone about you as a photographer, and your clientele will continue to go up and up and up and up. Not social media. This is peer-to-peer marketing, all right? Social media is a whole different world, whole different thing. But if you're someone who's an introvert and it's kind of hard for you when it comes to social, get it right in person. Do what you can do to be the best version of yourself in person, right in front of your clientele, because this is what matters. This is what's gonna, translate well throughout all of your other shoots, and this is also what's gonna stick with them as a memory to whether they should come back or not, all right? So leave your mark on your clientele, and that will make them come back again and again and again, and refer you again and again and again, and your business will forever grow because people will always be talking about you. So sell the experience, don't sell the images. Now I'm gonna do the next one.
Meadow! Wah! 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 Meadow!
And one. There you go. So now we're gonna do, you can go ahead and stand up and you can hand the baby over to him. You can sit back down, I'm gonna have you down and you're gonna, where did that present go? Right here. You're gonna be here. Like you can be down like this to your side as if you have the present like this, or you could be sitting on your actual side, whichever one's more comfortable. Knees hurt a little bit, but might sacrifice for the good look of the photo. So yeah, and try that bad boy out. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. That's cute. There you go. What are you doing? Mellow. Oh, he's locked in. Oh yeah, he's locked in. Try to get him to laugh. Try to play with him. He's like, there's so much going on. There's lights, there's flashes, there's trees, there's everything. Boo. Abu. 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 Abu.
What's he doing?
Abu. Ooh. Abu. Oh, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo.
I get boo.
There you go. Let me see. And one. Do one where you have your, hold his hand like how you just did again. Playing around with him, and then look at me. And then both, all you guys are going to look at me. You're like that, and then smile. Mellow. There we go. Mellow. Ooh. There we go. That's cute. All right, now just one with Dad and Mellow.
Oh, those are cute. I like those sitting down with the tree.
We're gonna subtract you. You're gonna.
Oh, me?
Subtract you. Come on over.
Subtracted?
Come on over.
I'm gonna cry.
There you go.
I like that one.
Don't play with me.
I know that's pretty valid right there.
Yeah, that's very valid.
They look so cute though.
He's with it. He's with it. There you go.
I like this one.
Because you really only need a few. I mean, you get to have all of them too. That's the best part about it. Because you really only need a few to choose from to to be edited, but you get to have all of them still. I gave you my heart, very first day. I gave it away. Yeah, that's cute. The kissing one cute too. The next one, oh, almost kissed, but there we go. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one right there. Yeah, that's a good one too.
I'm not taking it to a photo shoot.
He's on your ass.
This is why I go by myself.
He's on you.
No.
Both of y'all looking like, huh?
It's like your bad boy, huh?
Thank you guys so much for tapping in with your boy Taxi Png. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. I'll be leaving links to everything down below for you guys to check in and join up. Make sure you to hit that bell down below so that way you're notified when we hit 10K and you're going to be a part of it, okay? Just remember that you were here before everything got crazy, because January, everything will be getting even crazier. Discord link down below. Patreon link down below to join the class. We'll be having a class enrollment. I'm telling too much. Open enrollment is going to start. And anybody that's in the Discord will be a part of the class. We have a lot of big things coming for 2026. Class of 2026, you do not want to miss it. Each month of 2026 is going to be something different. You're going to be learning a different... I'm saying too much. I love you guys. I will see you guys in the Discord. Until next time, Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. I don't need it.